Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for one more recipe. Today we'll be making some beautiful pancakes. All we're gonna need is 2 eggs, we'll crack those eggs into a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Whisk the sugar with the eggs until it is combined and it's looking a little bubbly. Add 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence and mix it up. Then we are going to add to that 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour, but you could also add the milk before you add the flour, but I did it this way to show you that it's a no-fail recipe, so you can add the ingredients backwards, forward, in the right way that they should go and in the wrong way that they wouldn't normally go, and you still have good results. So this recipe is a total no-fail. Just mix all the ingredients together and you will have beautiful pancakes. So I'm mixing out the lumps, and then I'm going to be sending it through a strainer to ensure that no lumps are left. After this, I am going to be spooning it into the frying pan with a tablespoon. So each pancake is 1 tablespoon. Alright? No oil, and the frying pan is heated up for about 5 minutes on very low heat. Now after you have spooned in your pancakes, do as many as your frying pan can hold. It will take about just a minute on each side for them to be cooked thoroughly. Alright everyone, that's it for today. You have a wonderful no-fail pancake recipe that you can do anytime you want some quick pancakes or something quick and easy to whip up for breakfast. Thank you for joining. Please consider subscribing if you like this video. Hit thumbs up and comment below to let me know what you think. Have a great one. See you in the next video.